Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. You are the boss. Let's have a look at the introduction of who is Devin. Devin is a skilled and tireless teammate to independently complete tasks to help humans so that engineers can focus more on interesting and complex problem solving. Let's understand more about the Devin's capabilities. It has long-term reasoning and planning. It plans and executes complex engineering tasks. It's been equipped with common developer tools which includes shell, code editor, and the browser. It also learns how to use unfamiliar technologies, build and deploy apps end-to-end, finding and fixing bugs in code bases, train and fine-tune its own AI models, contribute to mature production repositories as well as crack real-time jobs. Now let us understand how Devin works. There's been a problem statement given to Devin to get the benchmark performance of Llama on different API providers. Soon after the problem statement, Devin is into action and Devin comes up with a step-by-step plan to tackle the problem statement. Soon after the plan is made, it uses the same software tools that human software engineer uses. It has its own command line, own code editor, as well as the browser. Devin uses the browser to pull up the API documentation so that it can learn and use on how to plug in each of these APIs. During this process, it runs into an unexpected error. And it's the time now to fix the bug. As part of debugging process, it uses the print statement and reruns the code. Based on the error from the logs, it fixes the bug and finally decides to build and deploy the website with full styling. Here you see the website which is completely built by Devin. Now let's understand the performance of Devin. Here is a performance graph. It compares Devin to other model results. The percentage of issues resolved by Devin is really high when compared to other models. So now that we understand Devin's capabilities and how it works and how its performance is measured, this the video is all about. I hope all of you like it, and I also hope that we made a good detailed content for you guys. Let's not panic and worry about AI becoming the future now. Let's assume that it is our good companion and also there for us to mold ourselves better and better than ever. Let's have a smooth journey with AI and have a happy learning and be part of the AI race. Thank you all for watching this video. If you are a new user visiting our channel and watching this video for the first time, please do subscribe and like the video and stay tuned for more such good content videos from our channel.